while doing SMBG at home, you need to take care of few things. Like hand hygiene is very important. You need to wash your hands, allow it to dry before pricking. If at all you are using alcohol swab, allow the alcohol swab to get dry, then only you are going to prick it. So now I would like to demonstrate how to check the blood sugar at home. So this is the glucometer, and this is the strip box in which you have strips. This is the pricking device in which you put the lancet, and this is the lancet. So let's see how we insert the lancet. This is the pricking device. We have to open the knob. So this is how it would be, and this is the lancet. We will put it inside it. It is like we have fixed it. Now we'll just rotate and remove the top of it. Now the needle is exposed. Now we'll put back the knob over it, and it's ready to prick. Depth or the pressure of the prick would be adjusted by the knob at the back of the lancet. So we'll open the strip box, and the strip is inside it. We'll take out one strip, and make sure that after you take out the strip, you close the box immediately. So this is the strip. Now we are going to insert it in the glucometer. As soon as you insert the strip inside the glucometer, it will show the code, and the code should match with the strip box. Otherwise the reading would be wrong. After matching the strip code, you need to apply the blood. There will be an indication which shows that apply blood. So once the glucometer is ready, then you need to prick yourself. So once the glucometer is ready, now we need to prick ourselves. So this is the lancet, and it's already we have inserted it. So we will do the loading. So for that we need to. So before pricking, you have to pull the plunger back. Now the pricker is ready, and you have to press this button. Always prick on the lateral aspect of the finger, not on the tip of the finger. So you will first do the milking like this, so that we have enough of blood at the tip. Then keep this pricker firmly on the lateral aspect of the finger, and just you have to press this button. You see adequate blood, then you have to just bring the strip near to the blood, and within 5 seconds it will show the reading.